Let us solve this worksheet today. So first, you all know, please tell me an object binds a state and behavior. What is that? With the help of which operator? No, nahi, that is a dot operator, I think. That is child dot operator. It is used to raise any runtime exception. This just exclude this. Okay, what data type this will return? What data type this will return? Please tell. When this expression, where this expression you people have understood this question or not? When this expression is being executed, what type of value will be returned by this expression? Yes, who is that? Okay, Aditya. Yes, it's correct. It is double type. So that value is double type. You all can see that this data belongs to double type. And the value is always returned with that type which is of highest value. That's why double type. Here you can see that it is float here. It is also float here. It is given in the expression, but since this one is double type, that's why double type value will be returned. Okay, a 2-byte data type which can store a single character. A 2-byte data type which can store a single character. Yes, reply. Char, char, char. Okay. A 8-byte data type which can store integer values bigger than int. Long. Okay. State the type of error, syntax, runtime or logical. String index out of bound exception. Runtime. And unpaired this, syntax error. Okay. State the output of the following. Math.floor minus 3.6. Minus, yes, minus 4.0. If you are not writing minus, sorry, it is not minus 4.0. It is minus 3.0. We have used math.floor, that's why. Math.floor. Are floor will round down, na? Seal will go up. Now math.round. What is the answer? It is 2.5 we are passing. Mine, okay, yes, minus 4.0. Okay, yes, I got it. Sorry, okay, it is minus 4.0. Math.round 2.5, it is 2 only, it is 3 only, because math.round function returns a long type value. Long type. So your answer will be only 3, not 0.0. Okay. Write the return data type for the following functions. Substring. Substring returns what type? String. Okay. Equals ignore case. This one. Boolean. Math.round. Math.round returns long type value. Is letter. Boolean. Yes. Is letter Boolean. Is white space. To string. ToString function returns what type of value? ToString returns string, CBRT, double, pow, last index of, last index of, equals ignore case, character dot to lowercase, char, character dot to lowercase, where character is a wrapper class and to lowercase is the function of that wrapper class, and it will return only character. So if you want to see that, I will demonstrate you. Here you can see, if I write that character dot to lowercase, so if you see this statement in front of this here, right here, you just see that it is char, char. Got it? So there are two functions of to lowercase. The second is not in your syllabus. Actually, it returns the sky value. If you are passing the sky value of capital, then it will return the sky value of lower. Got it? So that is not in your syllabus. The first one is in your syllabus. Okay, now next. What are the types of casting shown in the following figure examples? This is what type of casting? Explicit. And this time only that student will reply जिसको मैं बोलूँगा. Now Faiza Naeem. The second expression is what type of typecasting? Faiza. Snehal Chandra. Reply, beta. What is the answer of this one? E second part. Implicit type conversion, because character to ASCII value change is there, and that will get stored in this variable into y. Okay. Now convert the following if else construct using switch case. You all can do or not? Yes. So it's very simple, switch, and within switch we will pass var, and after that open brace, case 1 good, break, case 2 better, break, then default best, and close the switch case. Now next is, what is the value after evaluating the expression given below? What is the value of y? It is y plus is equals to plus y plus y minus minus plus minus minus y. What is that? It is 33. Okay, if you want to check, let us see that. Children, I am using J shell, which is Java shell, and it is available from JDK. Advanced versions of JDK. So here there is an issue with the expression, and that issue is is the space. Yes. And here answer is 33. So I need to explain this or you all have understood? Yes? Who is that? Initial value of y is 8. So 8 plus plus y, which is 9, plus y minus minus, which is 9 again. But when value travels here, it becomes 8, and when it reaches here, it becomes 7. So add all together, it is 18 plus 8, 26, and 26 plus 4, 30, plus 3, 33. This is the answer. So this is how we can do. Now the next one. What is the solution in the second case? B part. When k is 16, g is 6, p is 15, and p minus equals to minus minus k minus this one. Yes. Hurry up. Minus minus 5. How many of you agree with this? Okay, let us see that. Just execute this part. So these variables are declared, and then we need to write this much. This much is enough. So again, yes, it is 5. Y minus 5, it is 5. Y minus 5. Initial value of k is 16, and initial value of p is 15. So 15 minus 15, and minus g, it is 5. So why it got changed? Okay. Actually, what happens, this part will execute at the end. So first of all, this will get evaluated. Got it? So whenever such expression is, always try to solve the expression at the right side. So 15 minus 5. So 15 minus 10 will happen, and after that the result will be 5. Understood or not? Yes, all of you have understood. I hope it's clear. Okay, now next one. Find the final, what are the final values stored in this variable x and y below? Math.abs, math.seal A, it is 4.0, yes, it is 4.0. And here it is what, A comma B, 14.5. Okay. Give the output of this one. Please hurry up. Yes. If you are passing a double value, then it will return a double value. So I would like to show you. You can see that on the screen there are 4 functions of with ABS. If you are passing integer, it will return integer. If you are passing long, it will return long. If you are passing float, it will return float. And if you are passing double type, it will return double. And these all belongs to the process which is known as function overloading. And I hope you all know what is function overloading. So which is multiple functions are created with different signatures. Got it? Understood or not? And it is decided on runtime what value will be returned by the function, because when you are passing double, it will be double. So remember that when you are passing double type, it will be double type. Next, output of this one. Int x, hurry up children. Yes, hurry up. Or first line, is x is equals to 5. Let us see that. Maybe because that will be considered within the block. Yes, x is initialized. X is initialized, no issues. X is initialized child. Uh, that is outside the loop body. That's why nothing got printed. So at the end, the output will be only 50. But if I put the semicolon, then what is the answer? What is the answer? The answer will be in 2 lines, because this statement, now this statement is outside that for loop. So and this will also execute this time. So x is equals to 5. Here answer will be value of x is equals to 5, and here on the next line the answer will be 50. This will be the output. In the previous case, what was there? Actually, there was no semicolon, so this statement was the part of the for loop. It was within the block of the for loop. So when loop was not being executed, So this statement also will not get executed. So outside this block only one statement is there, which is x into 10. So that's why only 50 got printed on the screen. Okay, now next one. What is the value stored in this variable res given below? Yes, this one. It is 8.0. Yes, absolutely correct. It is 8.0. It is 8.0. Okay. Now analyze the following code given below. But any doubt within this expression? Anyone? In this one, anyone? It is double quotes 3, 4, 5, and its index number is 0, its index number is 2, 1, its index number is 2. So I am passing single quote 5, which is a character literal, and its index number is 2 here. So 2 raised to the power 3 will happen. So it is 8, and since the value written by that power function is always double type, that's why the answer is 8.0. Any problem? Huh? Yes, anybody? Which which part? Which part? Shubrang. Okay, next one. Nah. Okay. So you just try to solve this. Nah. What is the problem? This is the part of this. This statement is within that block for loop. This is within that block where for into j is equals to 2, j is less than I and j plus plus. And the outer loop is I is equals to 3, I is less than or equals to 4, I plus plus. So try to solve that. It is a simple pattern. So please solve and tell me the output. Yes, hurry up. Excellent answer. Excellent answer. Very good. Let me write this in a proper way so that it can get executed here. It is double code like this because actually in MS Word and here in Java these two are different type of symbols. That's why the problem is always there. Now if I copy and if I try to execute it on J shell, it will execute it. See, you can see that this output has come and the very first line contains one space along with and the second line contains two spaces along with this and. So it is a simple pattern. Yes. Any confusion, then please tell. But the outer loop will go twice. The output loop will go 3 to 4 any twice, and initial value of I is 3. So it will go once. So printing one space, and after that this and will come. And after that this j loop, what happens? J is already terminated, I becomes 4. So this time it will go twice, printing this space and printing this space, and without changing line it will proceed on this statement. So again this and will come, and after that I becomes 5, loop terminates, it's over. So that's why this output is there on the screen. So the question is, total how many times does the inner loop execute? Inner loop executes actually 3 times, because one for the case when I was 3, and second two times in the case when I was 4. And what is the output of the program segment? Output is this one. So if any problem, then please tell. Ritika Ghosh is there. Ritika. Shubhra Gupta. Tanish Raja is there. Yes. And Shresh Bajpayee. Okay. After this, evaluate the value of A if X is 7 and Y is 26. Please try to solve this question. Evaluate the value of A if X is 7 and Y is 26. Hurry up. Why? Yes. And suppose this is question mark, then what is the answer? So Y minus X is what? Is yes, this condition is true. So y minus X is, the answer is 19. So question number H you all people can do, I think, or not? Prabhav Singh, please write the Java statement for this. Prabhav Singh. Prabhav Singh. Will you able to solve, Prabhav? This one. Okay, now children, the same worksheet I will be uploading in your GCR, and remaining questions you have to do your own. It is 11:40 now. And remember one thing, that you people have to do what? You people have to just solve the question which I gave in the previous class, and you have to post that question today by 2 p.m. And if not, then sorry, I will not allow those children in my next class.